mixing and playing with some of our slime. So I'm going to be reviewing this one first. And she is going to be reviewing this one. We made that one with wood glue, and we made this one with regular glue.
Elmer's school glue.
Alright, let's put it on my thing. And I'm just going to show you our... See, I got Little Mermaid or something, and she got a unicorn or something. And then, she's already pouring hers. And so this is mine. That's not my problem. And we have actually, just in case if it is too sticky, I made them both. Once again, if you wanted to know that. Hers failed, so I just got mine. Is yours
I
all
don't
out?
care.
So this...
Well, I also did make a slime. Does it fail?
So this is a foam slime.
This is
See
like
that?
Wait, what's that stuff called again?
Super
Oozy?
cool.
Whatever that's called.
Ooh black, and hers is like an ooh black. Like, it's stretchy, but not when you stretch it to this. Like,
Can I have a little bit of activator?
it's super cool. So,
Can I have a little bit of...
alright, I just had to put some apple juice in the freezer.
Wait, I want some.
Oh, you want it?
I want it.
Alright, so,
I want it.
this,
Even though I already got water right here.
and I will also be
But
making
still, I
a
apple
wood
juice.
glue one. I'll be back in 3, 1. I am back. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in here. And I let this sit upside down, so then all the glue would come down. So just so I can put a little bit of glue in it. This is super nice.
Can I have some activator in like in the middle?
Oh yeah, so she wants a little bit of activator. So
I don't like sticky slimes. Okay. She does.
Excuse me. So we should use measurements. And if you wonder what our activator it is borax.
We use borax. And
There you
sometimes
go.
we use Tide.
Sometimes, but not really.
Whenever we're at Grandpa's, we use Tide.
Alright, so
ouch.
this, if you want to see it, again, here you go. This is my slime right there.
Oh, that's
Perfect time.
I'm just gonna rinse my
And then
hand.
this is Ella's slime.
Hey,
So it says that, she says that hers is sticky. You're not sure.
add some more activator.
No, hers is a light blue slime, and mine is a dark blue. See the difference? And then, put it back there. And yeah.
I just have to rinse my hands
So-
off because of someone's slime.
I'm gonna
Oh, look at this cute little ears that my mom got for me. Woo!
So, we put 1 tablespoon
Huh, and you can do that to mine,
of
huh?
activator.
Oh no, it's sticking.
So, just so I can get this. You don't
Oh
like
my god, this is so beautiful.
Sorry
and
about
it's
the
so
noise in our
satisfying.
background. So,
It's so beautiful to poke. And it's so satisfying. I mean, it's so satisfying to poke. But it's really beautiful. Look how light blue that is. It's so pretty.
I know, hers is light blue slime. Mine is dark blue once again.
Look it.
So, yes. So
Paste.
I'm just gonna get a paper towel. Where are they? Oh, they're all out. It's fine. I'm just gonna use this one. So,
I need more activator, Kaylee.
more?
Yeah. Could you do like one more bigger spoon?
Yeah, I did a bigger spoon.
My activator. I need the activate. I need the activate. Turd. Activate. Is there something right here?
So I'm gonna be making a slime right now.
What? Why?
Because I still have some
I
extra.
feel something in my slime.
I know.
Ew.
So
Kaylee, the crayon that you put in. Kaylee, look, I felt the crayon that you put.
So that.
So I just bought the little crayon piece that Kaylee put to dye her thing because we don't have any food coloring available right now.
And paint hardens your slime. So
So she just had to use cream. Yep. Excuse me. So satisfying. Kaylee should really pop this. It's really satisfying. Okay,
So let's put in a tablespoon of activator at a time.
That's my hands off.
A big one. So there we go. Let's put 3 of them in this. And that's really slow. So
where are the napkins? We're all on napkins?
yeah.
This is my shirt, yeah.
So alright, we're making this one real quick.
Is it working?
Yes, it is. More activator. So I think we can have. Oh, that's my bad one.
There you go.
So let's start kneading with our hands.
Start kneading with your hands now. Is it sticky?
It's not really sticky.
Oh my goodness, this, I feel like this does perfect swirls.
Shoot, so this
No,
is
terrible
really
swirls.
sticky. So.
Oh,
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to see the mess that's on my thing,
yeah. Oh wow, Kaylee, just wow.
I will see you in a second. So we are back. That was obviously a fail. And I just used my magic powers. And let's just go back to playing with my clothes.
Oh, I can't believe that I literally left so much in here. It was like a whole blob. Okay, let's go throw something away, I think. Something like that. Look at my hands because of that.
I should clean my spoon.
Look at that. I love this color.
I just cleaned.
After, can we try switching?
Yeah, we could switch. So,
I would be surprised right there.
let's put our slimes on our thing, even though you already have it on. I don't. So I was going to hold the camera over my slime so I could do some ASMR.
Yes, hang on. It's so. I need more activated, Haley. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Alright. So she is about to do ASMR. She holds the camera.
I will right
My
now.
slime.
I just don't want you to get your phone dirty.
Alright, so
You do it. Kaylee, can I pass my napkin that you used?
you go.
Oh my god, it's going on.
Here.
Thank you.
Oh, here are napkins. Once we are back, Ella just had to wash her hands out.
Oh, excuse me, guys. I have a question. Okay, so if you guys had your hands all dirty, and you had your sister and your sister wanted you, sister brother wanted you to hold their phone of you, would you want to get their phone all dirty?
Especially when you're making time. Alright, Ella, come on. Seriously. So, hold it like right here. And I'm about to put this on my mat.
Cool, but not cool. I'm putting it back on the real style. Me.
Even though it's my camera / my phone.
Wow, Kaylee. It's my channel / my phone.
Alright, so maybe just a little bit more activated for this. A little bit.
And
Look.
And look. Clean. Huh?
The phone has to be one side. Huh?
The
Maybe
real
a
star,
little
huh?
bit more that way.
Huh?
Alright, so activate.
Oh, is this soda sticky? Then I also have some extra in here. We all know that Kaylee can't do anything. Did you let me?
You have activator in there?
Yeah.
That is weird.
Well, sorry that someone probably wouldn't give me any.
Don't overactivate it.
Stop! You're getting the blue one.
It's already blue.
I know, but I don't like the dark blue. Okay. I don't like.
Yeah, her favorite color is pink, so she is so mad that I made both.
Exactly. And I also want her to put at least pink Orbeez in it. But who said no? Her Debbie Downer.
Because we are not going to put Orbeez in slime, because they would just all crush. And we do
They
not
would
want
not.
that.
You guys comment down below if the Orbeez would crush.
They would crush.
Yeah, would not. Comment down below if you have made an Orbeez slime and all the Orbeez crushed.
It will crash though. Crush.
It will not. Okay.
Yes, it will.
Anymore.
And if you didn't know, my name is Kaylee,
And my name is Ella.
and welcome to our channel.
Not the
You
first
guys
video.
cannot guess our last name.
Baldwin. And our dad was Mark Baldwin, great surfer. Search him up on YouTube. It's MikeBaldwin. Great surfing.
So let's do some ASMR for Ella Slime / also my Stella. Here we go. This is so cool, right, guys? Comment down below if you would like a Uzi / not so stretchy / slime. Alright, my turn. So we are obsessed with God's plan.
You're not
Now.
obsessed. Kaylee got stuck in my head.
Yeah, we just got stuck in our heads. So,
Great
say
song.
you love me, that's all I
You
thought.
bought me
Yeah,
a
I
son
don't
of
know
a
why now, my mom, I'm sorry. Picked you dog.
Comment down below if you think he is a bad singer.
Hey, you want anything else?
She said, "Do you love me?" I said, "I only partly." I said, "I only love my baby and my mom. I'm sorry, and me not."
That's not even how the song goes.
We said that I have to be correct to be a great singer. Am I right, guys?
Let's see what time it is. Alright, I can't see what time it is because I am filming.
Exactly. Or maybe your phone's upside down.
Is your phone good?
Yeah, your phone's upside down.
It is not upside down.
Once
Whatever.
again, I was wrong.
It is fine. We're just gonna keep on playing.
Doing this.
Some slime.
Comment down below if you love slime.
I do. I make like slime.
Comment down below which is your favorite slime.
Saturday.
Which one would you rather have? This one or that one?
Or
Yeah.
this one.
Or if you want to choose a different slime, like an Orbeez slime and
Just comment down below
and a
what's your
fluffy
favorite
slime. This one's halfway. Yeah, just comment down below what's your favorite slime.
Maybe we'll make more videos about slime.
Hashtag Team Ella.
Nope. Even though it's my channel. Still.
I know, but they like this one way better. I can already see it. Ha.
So, I'm gonna put a little bit more activator in it.
Here you go.
Just a little bit. No, I got some.
I don't know, I'll put some more in mine.
Not really a lot of activator.
Me neither.
So,
I just don't want it to be sticky at all. I'm just kidding. My other slime that I made was so not even sticky at all. But if you like put it on your clothes or like inside of your
she had a
clothes.
slime like a couple months ago, like 2 months ago, that got in her hair.
No, it got a big blob in Kaylee's hair right here.
That was
she
like
was crying.
last month ago.
Cry, baby. I'm just kidding. She's actually tougher than me.
So, you want to switch slime and see what you like about it?
Gotta go use the restroom real quick.
Alright. She is currently in the bathroom right now, which is taking forever. So, let's just secretly play with her slime. Okay. Let's grab that camera. So, this is her slime, right? Well, it's actually my slime. But it's cool. Kind of stretchy. I think she put too much activator in it. if you have not seen my shirt is awesome. It says, rules are meant to be broken. So he's coming. I'll be right. So this is Ella's slime right here. I think she actually overactivated my slime. But that is fine. She's back from the restroom, but she's wanted to brush her hair.
No, I'm done brushing my hair. Okay,
So see, that is super cool.
that's... Okay, we're gonna trade in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoosh. We
Whoosh.
are back. We
The
used
magic happens.
our magic of power. I am thirsty, so I'm gonna get a drink. I am about to pour my drink. This is not a sponsorship, unless you want to sponsor us. So this is called Crush. It's delicious.
Crush. Haley.
And we got this from Pizza Hut or Domino's. I really don't know.
Little Caesars.
Or Little Caesars.
It was Little Caesars. Why do you think I said the name? Huh? Oh. I like the other one better.
I like that one better.
I like the other one. This one's not as good. Because this one sticks more. Can I go a little bit harder?
Alright, let's switch back in 3, 2, 1. We are back. I
Because I-
totally like this one better. We're going to be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and some Saturdays. But today is a Tuesday. We just wanted to introduce ourselves. Once again,
And it's on
I am
Saturdays.
Kaylee,
And I'm Ella.
and we will see you on tomorrow's video.
No! I don't want to end you guys. Oh, and smash that subscribe button down below.
And while you're right there, push a thumbs up. Bye.